Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your carrier and the recipient support MMS or your chosen messaging app. Once done, open voice memos or the recorder inside messages and record your message with a steady voice. This reduces noise and keeps length manageable. Make sure to save as M4A when possible because that format balances quality and file size. After recording, trim any dead space so the file stays under the carrier limit and is quick to upload and download on mobile networks. Now you attach and optimize the clip. If the recording is too large, compress or convert it to M4A or MP3 using a quick app or built-in export. This reduces bitrate while keeping clarity. Next, open Messages, tap the plus or share sheet, choose the audio file and attach it. Alternatively, pick WhatsApp or Telegram which handle larger audio natively. Add a quick caption so the recipient knows context. Finally, double-check you selected the correct content. Send the message and verify delivery. Look for the sent or delivered indicator in the app. If playback fails on the other end, ask the recipient to try opening the file or saving it to their device. Make sure they have apps that support M4A. If the send fails, upload the audio to a cloud link and paste that link instead. And if things go wrong, check MMS settings, cellular data, or Wi-Fi and confirm the file size. Recompress and retry if needed, then resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.